Today, I want to talk about purchasing and ordering inert balls for reactors. Typically, these are used in layers in different sizes to prevent catalysts from either migrating down or to act as a hold down for the catalyst. It helps keep the catalyst where it's supposed to be and stabilize the overall loading of the reactor. Most people purchase their inerts from vendors such as Christy Catalytics, who know about the services that you're putting these inerts into, and they can help support you. But there's a lot of different types, and I'm all about oversimplification. So for simplicity purposes, you might see ceramic balls and you might see high alumina balls. Ceramic balls can be used in a lot of applications and are typically a little bit less expensive, but there's a few applications that you need to use high alumina media. Applications that using high alumina is required are secondary reformers or high temperature shift converters. And the reason is that at these process conditions, these applications are susceptible to silica leaching out, which can poison the catalyst and compromise the integrity of the support media. Some of my customers only order the high alumina media in their syngas plants to make sure that there's no confusion when loading. They don't have to say, which support balls are we using for this application, and they find that the increased cost for ordering only high alumina is worth the risk mitigation. Hope this helps. Have a great day.